Hi, my name is Molly, and welcome to Fine Arts Drawing Series. Today we are going to learn how to make a 2D square into a 3D cube in just a few simple steps. Let's go! You will need drawing paper, a ruler, drawing pencils, and if you don't have those, a number 2 pencil will do, and a good eraser. Let's get started!
Hi, I'm Molly, and welcome to How to Draw a Cube. So today we're going to talk about how to make a two-dimensional object like a square into a cube. The way that we're going to do this is I have made a gradation scale at the top of my paper, and it's not a full gradation scale of all the pencils, it just has 7. If you don't have drawing pencils, that's okay. You can actually just take an HB or a number 2 pencil, they're the same thing, and you can just make your own gradation scale at the top. So you want to put your pointer finger over the pencil and apply pressure, and then slowly lift pressure. Okay. And so there you go. So you can just make a gradation scale that's smaller, that uses an HB pencil if you don't have all these other drawing pencils. So first, we're going to start with an HB pencil, and we are going to draw 3 vertical lines about 2 inches long. Now this one, you can see I'm coming about 1/3 of the way down on this line to start my next line. I'm going to scoot over a little bit. But then I'm going to go back up top over here. Let's get back a little bit. Okay, so now I have 3 lines that go up, down, up, and we're going to connect those to make a cube. And I'm using my HB pencil. Trying to make the angles similar. Okay, that one's a little bit off from this one, so I can just erase it, no problem. Okay, I'm trying to get the same angle. Okay. All right. So there you go. We have made the cube, but now we need to come up with where is our light source coming from, because we are really going to make this 3D object pop. We're going to use some shading techniques. So we got to find our light source. So I like to draw a little arrow coming from here to show where the light is coming from. So now you're going to need to get your 2B pencil, because a 2B pencil is a little better for medium tones. I hope you enjoyed how to draw a cube. Thanks for watching. Keep making art. Thanks for joining us. See you next time. Hey.